On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson will show us how to make amazing apple almond quinoa. If you're looking to add more protein to your diet, or are a fan of all things sweet and savory, this recipe is for you. First things first, we chop. Quinoa is a plant-based protein that's been around for thousands of years. It's protein-packed. By weight, quinoa has 5 times as much protein as rice. While these little seeds are often seen as a grain substitute, they can be the perfect base for a whole variety of things. First, rinse the quinoa. In a saucepan, pour in 1 cup of salt-free vegetable stock, followed by a ½ cup of uncooked quinoa. Cover the pot and bring the stock up to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the quinoa simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You may need to adjust the heat as it simmers. When the quinoa has absorbed all of the moisture, remove it from the heat and let it sit for about 5 minutes more. And voila! Perfectly cooked quinoa. Heat up a ½ teaspoon of oil in a new pan. Once hot, drop in the apple slices. The firmer the apple variety, the better. Next, add in the minced garlic, onion, and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, add in a ¼ cup of fresh green peas and stir. The goal is to get the apples soft, but not have them fall apart. Deglaze the pan with 2 tablespoons of water, or white wine, to help everything cook evenly. By now, the quinoa should be close to done. When it is, drop it over the apple mixture and stir to combine. Once the flavors have gotten to know each other a little bit, it's time to plate. Sprinkle a handful of almonds over the quinoa. And just like that, we have this amazing apple almond quinoa that is fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks with Larry Stevenson, the owner of Southern Cultured Orchards and Nursery. Together, they pair this apple almond quinoa with juicy blackened chicken and a tart apple chutney. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.